Okay guys, today we're gonna do a fresh pasta. We're gonna toss a bunch of vegetables inside that I'll find it at the market. We're gonna cook it with tagliatelle. Let's go guys, let's go. The pasta is gonna be called all'ortolano. Today we're gonna use tagliatelle, zucchini, onions, red pepper, previously boiled green peas, fresh tomatoes, fresh mushrooms, garlic, tomato sauce, extra virgin olive oil. We also, for this pasta, we're gonna use some nice fresh basil. Then we're gonna turn this into a little pesto, okay? Follow the whole instruction, it's gonna be great. This is what we're gonna do. Cut a little bit of onions. After the onion, we're gonna slice a bit of garlic inside. Then we're gonna take the pepper, slice it in half. For this, you don't need a lot. For one person, this is more than enough. Put also the pepper inside. Slice a few mushrooms, okay, like that, look at this. Add some peas. So the zucchini, we're gonna slice a few zucchini inside. I like it a little bit like julienne, okay? Like that, look at this. And then we're gonna toss into the sauce. Put a little bit of olive oil, stir them a little bit. You're gonna let them cook. This is just like a vegetable. That's why we call it all'ortolano, the orto, the garden, okay, in Italy, all right? Cut some tomatoes in half, toss the tomato inside the pasta. Add a little bit of salt and a little bit of pepper. Nice tomato sauce with basil. There we go. Do not cook it too much, just not too cook, all right? So, like I said, we're gonna make a little bit of pesto. We're gonna use a little bit of basil, put it in a blender. And then we're gonna put some Parmesan or Parmigiano Reggiano. Add some extra virgin olive oil, okay, a little bit of salt. Our pesto is gonna be ready in a few seconds. All right, so a little bit more water, olive oil. All right, here we go. We finished the pesto, look at this. This is nice, simple. Basil and Parmigiano and olive oil. We're gonna add a little bit of pesto here. Okay, now guys, now we're gonna put some fresh tagliatelle that we make here at Borti Pasta. We'll put a little bit of salt. We're gonna taste the water, the ocean, and then we're gonna toss the pasta. Our fresh sauce here, del giardino. This is one of my favorite pasta. Oh la la, wonderful. Mamma mia, che buona, mamma mia, che buona. We're gonna add a little secret, un po' di olio d'oliva. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. I think our pasta is ready. I'm so hungry right now, you have no idea. This is a normal plate of pasta. There we go. And we're gonna put the sauce right there on top. Ah, bellissimo, amore mio. You want Parmesan cheese? I'll give you Parmesan cheese. Boom, 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 boom. Bang, bang. Some people think that vegetables are boring. You can create something like this. So exciting. Ooh, look at this. Buonissima. Wow. Light, tasty, but with a good flavor. Not too salty. You can taste the basil, and you can taste the vegetables, you can taste the pepper. Viva la vita, guys. Enjoy life. Mwah.